A family has a monthly mortgage payment of $696, which is 16% of its monthly income. What is the family's monthly income? Okay, so I'm going to let M be the monthly income. $16 of M. Whenever you're working these problems, you want to change your percent to a decimal form. 16 divided by 100. Think of percent as per century, so it tells you to divide by 100. 16% of a monthly income is equal to this mortgage payment of $696. Now, because this is a simple equation where your variable terms on one side, constant values on the other, you can go right to the division. Divide both sides by 0.16. Cancel, cancel. And so that the monthly income of this family, when you divide, is $4,350. You don't have to put the change on that. In WebAssign, I think it asks for the dollar amount. A rectangular room is 1.5 times as long as it is wide, and its perimeter is 15 meters. Draw a diagram that gives a visual representation of the problem. Let L represent the length and W represent the width. Okay, so L and W. Okay, now we're told that the length is 1.5 times the width. So this first part, write L in terms of W. L is 1.5 times the width. Write an equation for the perimeter in terms of W. Okay, well, perimeter, if you go around the rectangle, you travel the length twice and the width twice. We've just rewritten L as 1.5 W. Two times 1.5, that's 3W, plus 2W is equal to 5W. So that is the perimeter in terms of W. Let me write that a little better. Okay, so perimeter equals 5W. Find the dimensions of the room. Okay, well, we were told the perimeter is 15 meters. We can make that substitution. Divide both sides by 5. And that tells us that the width is 3 meters. Let's go back up towards the top. If the width is 3 meters, the length is 1.5 times that. So that's going to be 4.5 meters. Therefore, our width is 3 meters. Our length is 4.5 meters. And if you were to add up 2 lengths and 2 widths, you would get 9 plus 6, which is 15. You are taking a course that has 4 tests. The first 3 tests are worth 100 points each, and the 4th test is worth 200 points. To get an A in the course, you must have an average of at least 90% on the 4 tests. Your scores so far are 88, 92, and 85. What must you score on the 4th test to get an A in the course? Okay, now on WebAssign, this is broken down into multiple parts. Your first part is let T be the total number of points possible for the course. Find T by summing the total points for each test possible. Okay, the first 3 tests are 100 points each. The 4th test is worth 200. Okay, so that gives us 500 points total for the class. Let M be the minimum number of total points on all tests to obtain an A in the course. To get an A, you must have 90% of the points, and there are 500 total. So if you multiply 90% of 500, as you've got to have 450 points total to earn an A. The points that you already have are the sum of the first 3 tests. Your scores were 88, 92, and 85. So out of the 450, you have already earned 265 of them. The points that you still need, and this is going to be what you'd have to earn out of 200 points on the 4th test. 450 total for an A. You've already got 265 of them, so that leaves 185 points. Remaining, but remember, this is out of 200 points remaining.